Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack. This is how to turn off chat bubbles on Messenger. So guys, if you ever wondered if you want to turn off the bubbles, just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and select the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings tab over here. Go ahead and select that. Now, over here, guys, on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here chat heads. So guys, this chat head is the chat bubbles. When someone message you on Messenger, a window will pop up. So by turning this off, you should be able to turn off the chat bubbles on Messenger. And from here, you should be able to have this turned off. And now, if you don't have this feature on your phone, you can just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device. And now you can just simply search for the Messenger application and make sure you are running the latest version of the app by selecting the three dots on the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update. And when there is any update, guys, you should be able to see here update instead of open. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.